As the demand for digital services continues to grow, so too does the increase in controversies in the metaverse. As one of the top performing virtual and augmented reality companies, Meta's stock has fallen dramatically in recent months as people look to invest in one of the most promising technologies of the future. However, that all changed. Welcome back to the Tech Investor. For today's video, we will have a look at the latest uproar of Meta, from burning money to bumping up its revenues by more than 15% in the last quarter. But before we dive into it, let's get down to basics. What's a metaverse anyway? The metaverse of Mark Zuckerberg is a concept of using virtual reality technology to create a shared virtual space for people to communicate, collaborate, and interact with one another, much like the physical world. It is thought that once the technology has been sufficiently advanced, it will be possible to build a virtual world that is visually indistinguishable from the physical world, with all its complexities and interactions, but with capabilities and opportunities beyond what our current physical world can offer. The metaverse of Zuckerberg envisions a world where people could explore new opportunities, build vibrant businesses, and even build entire new societies and cultures. It is a digital world where people can come together and share their ideas, explore new ways of thinking, and interact with one another in a way that is much more meaningful than our current physical world allows. And this is just a piece of booming news, but the last 3 months of the previous year has been a great success for Meta, as its revenues in last quarter rose by an impressive 16%. Of course, this has been seen as a major victory for Mark Zuckerberg, as his efforts to restore investor confidence have been hugely successful. Investors have been buoyed by the strong gains in Meta's share price, and the outlook for the company looks positive as they look forward to another successful quarter. But with the right strategies and plans in place, Meta is sure to remain at the forefront of the tech industry. But is this for the long haul or a temporary victory? As we can all probably remember, Meta's stock buyback was met with both skepticism and optimism by the stock market. Some investors questioned the wisdom behind such a large financial commitment, while others were willing to take a chance on the company's future prospects. But despite the uncertainty, CEO Mark was confident the buyback was the right move and was eager to demonstrate a commitment to the company's long-term outlook. The stock buyback was not the only strategic measure that Meta had to take. The company was forced to make drastic cuts to its workforce and had to get creative with its marketing strategies, which is a bummer for its employees. Additionally, Reality Labs had to make a controversial decision to replace the traditional human-like avatars with avatars that had no legs, which turns out to be the comedy show for the people. Well, this cost-cutting measure was met with both criticism and praise, but in the end, the company had to make a tough decision in order to stay afloat. That is, until the announcement of a buyback program for up to $40 billion of the company's shares further boosted Meta's stock price. Investors are optimistic that Meta's current position will allow them to continue to grow and deliver more value to its 2 billion users. Recently, the CEO of Meta declared that 2023 is going to be the year of efficiency, and he is giving hints about its well-known work ethics and his strategy of flattening the organization structure by inviting some middle management to relocate in order to become a stronger and more nimble organization. And in fact, Yahoo Finance's latest report on Meta earnings has revealed that the company's stock has shot up after the announcement of a better-than-expected revenue and a share buyback program. The company reported earnings increase of 16.2% with respect to the previous quarter, with a total revenue of $32.2 billion in quarter 4. These are some great stats if you think about it. Though the stock buyback brought a sense of optimism to the company, the financial outlook is still uncertain. It remains to be seen whether or not this large financial commitment can help to stabilize Reality Labs' finances in the near future. The company is hopeful that the stock buyback will be successful, but until the financial results from the next quarter are released, there is no way of knowing for sure. The truth is that Reality Labs is in for a bumpy ride in the near future, and only time will tell if the company can survive the financial obstacles that it faces. But what's for Meta as of now? Meta is continuing their ambitious mission to revolutionize the way people interact, exercise, and enjoy media by introducing the Metaverse and Supernatural app, developed by Meta's acquisition of the VR developer Within. The The metaverse is a virtual reality platform that connects people from all over the world and provides them in a realistic environment to collaborate, socialize, and engage in activities that they would not be able to do so in the real world. The Supernatural app takes it a step further and allows users to work out in a virtual reality, accompanied by their favorite tunes and guided by their own virtual personal trainer. This is truly a revolutionary concept. It allows people to achieve new levels of fitness and health without sacrificing the convenience of their homes. With this new technology, people can have the best of both worlds, engaging in physical activities they enjoy and still having the freedom to take part in other activities, such as working and spending time with family and friends. Cool, right? Obviously, the metaverse and supernatural apps are propelling us into a new era of virtual reality gaming, socializing, and exercising. This technology is empowering people to do more than just watch TV or play video games. It is allowing them to develop healthier habits and reshape the way they interact with the world. As Meta continues to develop its products, it is sure to make an even bigger impact in the future. But before we continue, if you like what you see and hear so far, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss any of the upcoming fantastic content. Also, have you seen some latest news about Tesla? Give our channel a click and you won't regret it. You'll be one of the first to see our instructional videos about Tesla movements. Keep watching to get the full experience and be sure to leave any comments and questions in the comment section below. At this point, you may wonder, what is the metaverse going to be like in the future? The metaverse is a concept of a shared virtual world that users can access and interact with one. It is expected to be the future of communication, entertainment, and collaboration, taking what we have today and making it even more immersive and expansive. With the power of augmented and virtual reality and advancing technology, the metaverse is expected to become increasingly realistic and seamlessly connected. This means that it will no longer be limited to the confines of a computer or device and could instead be experienced as a real-world environment with a true feeling of presence. Truly a concept to be excited about. Users will be able to access the metaverse through a myriad of devices and interfaces, such as headsets, haptic suits, and more. This will create a world where users can explore, create, collaborate, and interact with others around the globe, while still being able to maintain their privacy and security. The potential applications of the metaverse are nearly limitless, as it could be used for everything from virtual meetings and conferences to virtual classrooms and gaming tournaments. Do you agree? The future of the metaverse holds a lot of promise and has the potential to revolutionize how we communicate and interact with one another in ways we have never seen before. And if you're curious, why is there a need to invest in metaverse anyway? This is because investing in metaverse is a great way to capitalize on the potential of blockchain technology. Metaverse is a decentralized public network that offers solutions to many of the current scalability and development issues present in the world of cryptocurrency, which is a cool thing. Without a doubt, the metaverse platform is designed to increase blockchain scalability and offer solutions to low transaction speeds and data storage issues. The protocol supports multi-chain and cross-chain interoperability, which allows the network to scale and better accommodate real-world applications and digital assets. Additionally, Metaverse offers high security, data privacy, and anonymity to its users. So in basic words, Metaverse's features have made it an increasingly attractive option for investors in the crypto world. The platform also allows users to create and manage digital assets on the blockchain, which can then be traded and exchanged for other assets. And as the platform grows, investors stand to benefit from the increasing demand for digital assets and the overall growth of the Metaverse network. In a nutshell, the metaverse is a concept that has been gaining traction recently, with many anticipating its eventual widespread adoption and impact. Mark Zuckerberg's rebranding of Facebook as Meta is an example of a trend towards virtual reality and augmented reality, which is anticipated to dominate the future of entertainment. Despite this, many note that virtual spaces have not attracted a large percentage of the public's time and attention, suggesting that full immersion may remain uncommon for now. But what do we know? Only time will tell as the rate of the stock market continues to bullish and surge. And you've arrived at the end of the video. We hope that you've learned something new. But what did you think? Did you expect this good news from Meta? Are you thinking about investing right now? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit that like button. Do you want to stay up to date on the latest tech companies and stock market news? If so, subscribe to our channel. The Tech Investor, and get access to exclusive content and market analysis. Discover new trends and ideas to help you make more informed decisions and take your investments to the next level. Get started now and never miss a beat. Thanks for watching. Your time is greatly appreciated. God bless you, and let's keep learning in the next video.